8 oras bago ang kanilang live show, nagsimula ng maghanda ang mga gaganap.
Good luck, guys. Nanay.
Maya-maya, si Crystal, inaral muna ang blocking ng kanilang mga eksena.
Wala.
So, be mindful of your cameras, ha? Kasi kailangan may camera kayo. So, Heath, when you pasok, Rave. So, your camera is here, that, or that.
Ganyan tayo.
You can go closer pa.
Nirequest eh.
Yan.
Habang sina Marco, nagbabatuhan naman ng linya.
Laro tayo kasama daddy mo Sige, tara. Ay, ako muna. Sige, muna na ako Kita-kits.
Si Joaquin, nagbahagi ng saloobin tungkol sa pagganap bilang tatay ni Marco.
I really love your dad's perspective, bro. Like, hindi ko masyadong kailangan i-character work yung isip ng dad mo sa'yo at sa kapatid mo. Kasi parang nag-a-align yung views na. Tinitignan ko ang isang taong may special needs as if normal lang sila. Kasi ako, special needs ako. I'm deaf, right? But I never saw it that way. Na parang, I'm so kawawa, deaf ako, I'm so kawawa. My parents successfully raised me in a way na, okay, I'm a normal person and I just so happen to be deaf.
And it doesn't make you any less of a person.
It doesn't make me any less of a person, right? And it just so happens that your brother has Down syndrome, which makes him unique as an individual. Talagang nag-a-align yung views namin ng father mo na parang gusto ko ipalaki yung anak ko, na may Down syndrome, malakas siya, malakas yung mindset niya. Diba?
Yeah.
Which is how your dad, I believe, raised both of you.
Exactly, Honestly, guys, at first, I was kind of hesitant kasi syempre, it's a sensitive topic.
A sensitive topic,
And it's
for
something
sure.
that I never really talked about. But I'm really glad na you took it really to heart.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, bro.
Habang mas lumalapit na ang oras ng kanilang show, mas nagiging seryoso na rin ang paghahanda ng housemates.
Try natin this time, karga na. With emotions lang.
Yeah. Can we take this as our final take? Okay, sige. Being emotional, let's give it. If you feel like we're being mad, let's give it.
5, 4, 3, 2, action. Sobrang grateful ako. Nakasama ko at napili ko yung perfect na cast para sa live show na to.
Normal talaga siya. He just so happened to have Down syndrome at okay lang yun. That's what makes him unique. Okay?
Sobrang genuine ang intention at may gusto talagang tumulong sa akin para maiparating yung mensahe ko.
There's nothing to worry about. Okay? Okay lahat. Okay tayo.